Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I haven't uploaded a new video, but trust me, things are so hectic on me. I can't get to record and to edit the videos, guys. I've eliminated some stuff, guys, so I hope that I can be consistent this time and upload at least one time per week, and my apologies. So for today, I'm gonna do this top knot bun, but I'm gonna do some stitch braids and a pattern in the back. So I'm doing a freestyle top knot bun with two bangs. So she has relaxed here, guys, so it's pretty easy to handle, and it's gonna be quick and easy. So in this side, this part, you can see I'm doing a little triangular pattern in the middle at the back. So I'm gonna do this here and add some stitch braids to the sides. So the entire back of her hair will be stitch braids with this pattern. I applied a little wax, and you know the wax I'm always using is Ossion the gray tin, which is number 9, and the burgundy tin with the gray cover, which is number 10. I only use those two because the wax inside it is clear, and normally I don't like the ones that has the different colors, because you know it's added stuff to make the colors in the wax, so I prefer using the clear ones. Don't use too much, because I don't. If you use too much wax, that's gonna make your hair very clammy and heavy with products. Guys, I know I'm gonna love this style, but this is the only part about it I don't like. When you're doing a form of braided updo and the client has to hold down their neck, like their head like this, it is very uncomfortable. So after each cornrow, I normally ask my client to hold your head up so you can rest your neck, and then we go with the next cornrow. Because trust me, this style updos are always nice, braided updos, but I think it is so uncomfortable to do the back. I wish there was another way that we could do the back of a braided updo so that the client doesn't have to go through any discomfort. Guys, I must thank you for the continuous support you're giving me. Each time I upload and I'm so inconsistent, I'm still getting views, I'm still getting new subscribers. So all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Thanks for being here. And for my older subscribers and my continuous supporters, I really appreciate your time. And guys, don't forget to comment below if there's a specific hairstyle that you would want me to do the tutorial for. I will try my utmost best to make that video for you. So please remember. And also, what do you think, guys? Look at the pattern in the middle. The pattern in the middle, like, oh my god, it's so cute and clean. The parts are clean as ever. So guys, if you notice when I'm doing hairstyle that I need to show my parts, I use a parting comb, and sometimes the parting comb doesn't come as pointed enough to clean your parts well. So what I would normally do, I would get an emery board and use it to buff the comb teeth down so it can have a more pointed teeth. So I could show you one of the times when I'm doing it, so you could do it too, guys, so your parts can be this clean. Trust me, this side is gonna be so cute. Anyways, guys, remember to leave your comments down below. Remember to share the video, guys. Whichever platform you want to share it to, you can, because at least it could give someone an hairstyle idea. Anyways, I'm not gonna keep talking right to the video. I'm gonna leave you guys so you can watch keenly and get to learn this hairstyle for yourself. So if you're a hairstylist, or you could just comb hair, you could do your sister or your auntie or your cousin, whoever, you could do the styling their hair, because trust me, it is really nice. Guys, I'm just realizing that my voice is so lousy and sounds so dead and lazy because the truth is I'm lying down to do this voiceover because I am so tired from work. But anyway, don't mind me, guys. I just want you to watch the video and enjoy it.